I'm coming here, do give me the subscribe so that next time we do a live stream will be noticed directly. And yeah, later I will show you the 3D videos for this one. I'm sure you guys, after checking the 3D video, you guys will know much better than I'm talking here. And we do have different capacities equipment, like 2 tons per hour, 4 tons, 60 tons per hour, 8 tons per hour to 60 tons per hour equipment we all have in stock. So if you want to do the starch business, no matter for cassava, starch, potato starch, or sweet potato starch, we can all show you guys the 3D videos and we can all provide you the equipment that you need. And yeah, welcome to the live stream. And we have the high production efficiency, LCB, MCC, OCC, and PLC control operation. So it is a really convenient system for you guys to control. And we got a high yield of starch, less energy consumption, high quality finished product, and short processing time. I mean, for cassava starch processing machine mainly adopts the advanced cassava starch processing technology to help people process cassava into starch quickly and in a really efficient way. And if you want to know more detailed information, directly leave something in the comment to let me know that you want to know more about it so that our assistant will show you more detailed information for that. And this is what we got for the machines for the cassava starch production line. The first one, I mean, it is like the dry sieve, and then I mean for the dry sieve, it is mainly about to wash those big impurities like the leaves or limbs, so that you can directly see it by your eyes. And then you have to fully wash about the material. So we got the paddle washer over here. For this paddle washer, it adopts counter-current washing principle, and according to your needs, we can make it into a single slot, a double slot, or triple slot, according to your needs. And also, there are so many bottom nets, and a stone sink design. It is adopted inside, so all of the impurities like the heavy stones or like the other tiny fine sand, you can it will gather here. So after this whole system shutdown, you can easily clean it up. That is all about the washing part. By those two machines, you can basically wash all of the impurities out of the raw materials. And then, as for the processing parts, we got the cutting machine and got the rasper, which normally they will use it like a bundle. So all of the, I mean, for the cutting machine, the material for the knife, like the diamond shaped knife, it is for CR13, which is really durable. So you can use it for a really long time without changing the wearing parts. So it is like saving the energy and saving the investment, saving the maintenance cost. So this is for our cutting machine. And then what we got here next is about the rasper, which is the main equipment for this whole processing line. There is a really huge rotary drum. It is adopted inside. The more capacity you got, I mean, the more, yeah, Facebook 真理有点卡. All right, yeah, let's keep checking about the rasper here. I mean, we do have different capacities, just like you see that already, right? 2 tons per hour to 60 tons per hour we can all supply you. And the more, the bigger the diameter, there will be more of the blades. It will on the surface for the drum. And when it is working, it will rotate in really high speed. So in 1 minute, it will rotate 2,000 times in 1 minute, which is really fast rotating. I mean, in the market, there are a lot of different kinds of the raw material, or like the machine just breaking the raw materials, like the hammer mill or some other squeezing machine. But the breaking rate for the raw material, it is only can achieve 80%. But for our rasper, it can go much higher. So for the rasper, the breaking rate for the raw material, like no matter for potato or sweet potato or cassava, the breaking rate can reach more than 96%, which is incredible. And I mean, for this machine, we have already bring it to a lot of different kind of exhibition, which receive a lot of good feedback from the customers and from a lot of companies. They all loving the equipment, which is called Raspberry. The breaking rate it is high. Much higher, so that means with the same amount of the raw material, you can definitely obtain more of the cassava starch by using the raspberry. Let me give you an example. Like 2 years earlier, there is one of our customer which is from Nigeria. He has to use 5 tons or 6 tons of the cassavas to obtain 1 ton of the starch, saving a lot of the materials. So this is what we do. This is what we have machines, just like the centrifuge side and the hydrocyclone station. So these fibers, which normally you will get the mixture for the starch, you will also take away some of the starch. So to control the loss for the starch, we normally will use 4 or 5 of this machine to control it. So which means you can control the loss for the starch. And then we got the fine fiber sieve, and we got the designer. Especially for these 2 machines, if you didn't wash through all the raw materials, if they're still fine signed, after the processing, you can also remove it one more time by using the fine fiber sieve or by using the designer. And the next one here, over here that I'm pointing right now, is about the hydrocyclone station, which normally it will separate for 3 parts: recycling and washing and cycle at the same time. So normally we will use 15 or 18 of the equipment as a bundle. So this is our hydrocyclone station, and later I will have a better explanations for you. Show you guys how does it work and about the materials. For this one, the material is all about the stainless steel, so no worry about the long use. It will get rusted easily or it will not, because it is made of stainless steel 304 food grade 1. And then we got the pillar centrifuge, and we got different kind of the centrifuge machines, and yeah, we will show you guys later. And then it's about flash dryer to dry our wet material, get into dry starch. So the final starch that we got, it is the dry starch. So you can directly eat it or put it in the market to sell it, which is fine. And then we got the sifter to sieve out of the non-high quality starch and cool down the temperature at the same time. And then we got the packing machine to do the package for you guys. So Henan Jianrui Company can customize different handle capacity of high quality cassava starch production line, applying according to your needs. And please, if you want to know more detailed information for that, you can leave a message or call us to tell us about your what do you want to get. And this is for the starch applications. I mean, in recent years, no matter for cassava starch, potato starch, or sweet potato starch, it all has a well applications in the market. So after you have already obtained the starch, do not worry about if you didn't know how to sell it. I mean, the needs in the market is really large. So you can use the starch in the textile industries, or the beer industry, sausage industry, candy industry, or paper industry. But most of the cassava starch or potato or sweet potato starch, it is used for human to eat. No matter for like the beer, sausage, candy, it is all about humans to eat. But also you can use it in the textile industry, paper industry, or medication industry. It has a large need for the starch. And then this is our single machine display. No matter for the single machine or for the whole processing lines equipment, we can all supply you. The first one is about the dry side. It has stable rotating speed of inner spiral to remove debris and ensure the cassava will not be damaged. It has a large processing capacity from 1 tons per hour to 100 tons per hour equipment. We can all provide you that. and it have a low power consumption because the speed when it is working, it will not rotate in a really high speed. It will rotate in a regular speed. So to protect our raw materials at the same time. So it is mainly to remove the debris and ensure the cassava will not be damaged. And then it is our paddle washer. For this paddle washer, it is a special made for cassava tubers. It adopts counter-current washing principle to achieve a better washing effect. And also, you guys can see here there are a lot of bottom net and stone sink design. It is adopted at the bottom. And also, you guys can see about the paddles, right? So when it's working, it will rotate to push all of our cassava tubers moving forward, so that we can washing them and transporting them at the same time. If you want, we can make it into reusable water. You can easily using the reusable water. So do not worry about the how do we do with the polluted water. It will not have the polluted water because we will reuse the water several times. And as for the washing effect, do not worry about it because normally at the outlet part for the machine, it will have a clean water pipe to stay there to wash it one more time to wash it for the last time. And you have a really large capacity. Just like I said, if you want to set a really huge workshop, first you can purchase one machine that have bigger capacities, or we can make it into a double slot or triple slot or even multi-slot to prolong the washing process and bigger the capacity and make the capacity even bigger. And then it is our finest sieve. It is automatic front and back washing system, high starch extraction effect. And then it is our hydrocyclone station. For this hydrocyclone station, it is fully cyclone separation system, computer design, internal structure, and later there's a 3D video that we can show you guys for that. And then it is our vacuum dryer. For solid liquid separation in starch, medicine, food, chemical engineering, and the high dehydration effect, it is suitable for middle and large-scale starch production company. So this is our vacuum filter. And for the another machine, we got the pillar centrifuge, shorten separating time, and the decreased moisture content. It is to 36.5%, and it will increase production capacity by 50%, which is really high efficiency. So if you guys do want to know more detailed information for this one, no matter for which equipment, you can easily say something in the comment. I'm waiting for your comments. Or if you can leave a message or directly call us or leave your WhatsApp number in the comments, or just say something here to let me know. Our company, it is located in China, but we do have our overseas office, which is in Nigeria. So if there's anything that can interest you, please directly let me know without hesitation. And then this is all about our ProVice project cases, not only in China, but also in all over the world, especially in the Africa areas, Southeast Asia areas, and Europe. There are a lot of our ProVice projects. And I believe it is all about the cassava starch processing plant for those pictures here. For different capacities, like 1 tons per hour in the comments. This one is all about our cassava starch production line, ProVice projects, workshop, and also we can provide you guys the cassava flour, especially for our customers in Nigeria. We do have our overseas office and overseas stock, overseas warehouse, overseas factory in Nigeria, which is in Sagamu, Lagos, Nigeria. If you are living in the nearby countries or nearby cities, if you do want to do the starch business, just leave something in the comment to let me know that we can show you the actual, the detailed address for that. You guys are so welcome to have a visit. And also we can provide you guys for the Gary production line for the Gary processing machines. And this is our other machines manufactured by Henan Nigerian Food Engineering Company. Yeah, these two. And if you do have any question, just directly put it in the comment. This is what we can provide you for that. First, we got the pre-sale service. You guys can visit the factory production workshop by our by leading by our sales manager or our engineers. And we can provide you a one-to-one equipment configuration plan, like plan the equipment placement sites. And also, you guys can check about the production conditions of the machines if you have already placed order anytime that you want. Communicate with the progress of equipment manufacturing anytime that you want. And for all of our equipment, we do have 1 year's warranty, which means in this year, if there's anything happened with the equipment not caused by human, you can contact with us immediately by shoot the picture or take the video and send it to us. We got 1 year warranty, so we can give you a solution in 24 hours. And we can guide our equipment installation and commissioning and technical training. This is what we can provide you. And this is our overseas warehouse and office in Nigeria. I mean, this picture, it is like the old picture. I mean, for the warehouse and for the office, we have already updated about it. And we got a bigger, much bigger factory and much bigger warehouse and office in Nigeria. It will start to all of you guys in recent year, especially in this year. If you now have a visit to the overseas office, it is a brand new office, but the factory was to try to enlarge, build our new factory. So yeah, we can provide you the technical guidance, pick up the goods directly, project installations. And if you guys can give me just 1 minute, I will go and turn on the air conditioner because it is kind of hot here. Just give me a second. Hey, I am back. Yeah, this is our overseas warehouse and office in Nigeria. And then let's check about our company. Our company, it is actually called Henan Jin Holdings. Henan Jin Engineering, it is a subsidiary company of Jin Holdings. It's a comprehensive tuber, starch, and flour processing equipment manufacturing, integrating technology design, research and development, machine production, sales, and after-sales service with together. And the company's main business range is about the cassava starch processing machine, sweet potato starch processing machine, yam starch processing machine, cassava flour processing machine, yam flour processing plant, fufu flour processing machine, and gari processing machine. So if you do need all of these machines, you can contact with us immediately by put your needs in the comment to let me know that what can I do to show you about our company, what can I do to show you about the machines. And this is our company's environment, strengths of brands. And the picture over here, that is office in here that where I'm currently working at. It is located in Zhengzhou, Henan, China. And also for this picture, all of the engineers, it is having a meeting to give our customers customer design. And for the bottom two pictures, you guys can see that is our factories. New factories and old factory, which the final amount, total amount, it is about 40,000 square meters, which are two really big factories. And this is what can we do to serve you guys 24/7 services. So till now, our company is established in 2011. So till now, we have already got more than 2,000 customers, and our equipment have already exported to more than 30 countries, and we got more than 50 technical engineers, and we got more than 20 professional installations members in our installation team. And our intention of customers, it is about 100,000, which it is really incredible. And we can provide you guys about 24 hours technical support. So no matter when you check about the live stream or when you check about the clips, we can provide you our equipment with our best service. So if you do want to get the production or about the machines for the cassava starch, potato starch, sweet potato starch, yam starch, Gary cassava flour, and this is all about our certification. More than 16 of the certifications, and this is our numbers. You guys can do the screenshot, email or phone or WhatsApp or telephone. You can all contact with us. This is our company, which is called Henan Jin Holdings. Like we are one of the company from Henan Jin Holdings. We are called Henan Jinri. So this is what we got here, and then let's check about the 3D video that we got here. Let's check about the 3D video that we got here for the cassava starch production line. Hold a second. Before, let's just see one of our how do we do the shipping, how do we do the packing. This is a real video that is took in 2 months earlier. Check about this is how we do the packing. If you guys do have any questions, just directly put it in the comments. When I see it, I will answer about your question immediately as soon as possible to show more detailed information for that. Hey, how are you? Happy to see you guys over here. This is Oliver from Henan Jin Holdings. Our company, it is based in China, but we do have our overseas office in Nigeria. So no matter where do you want to set your workshop, we can provide you the equipment for you. No matter for the single equipment or for the whole processing line, it's all about our service. And if you need, we can provide you all of those things. Hey there, good afternoon. By the way, currently in China, it is 5:30, almost 5:30 in PM. So I said good afternoon, and our live stream will be end after 30 minutes later because that is the time for me to off work. So this is how we do the packing. A lot of our customers are curious, how do we do the packing? Like how do you put all of the machines onto the truck? And yeah, this is what we do. It is all protect by the this thing. Check about it. So to protect our machines, and sometimes we will have a customized wooden box to protect the machines if the machine is it is too big or too large. This is how. And by the way, this video it is taken in our new factory in China. The final amount for the two factories, it is about 40,000 square meters, and there are more than 200 workers producing equipments, not only for the starch or gari or flour machines, but also for different kind of oil and fat machines like the presser, the solvent extractor, the refinery plant. It is also we can supply you those kind of equipments. This is what we do for the packing. And after this one, I will definitely show you guys one of the 3D videos for you, like about for the high international standard cassava starch production line. So you guys can see, do you have any questions or not? If there's no any questions, I will ending the live stream after 30 minutes later. So cherish about it. Let's see if there any new page that I can show you guys about. Let's see. Hey everyone, good afternoon, welcome to the live stream. And also I'm finding another one, so yeah, let's do that one more time for the cassava starch production line, cassava processing machines. All right, if you can just give me a second, let me just make it bigger. Yeah, check about it, ladies and gentlemen. This is also what we do for the cassava processing machines. Yeah, this is better. This is also our cassava starch processing machines. So for the cassavas, you can get the Gary's cassava flour or cassava starch. So for the Gary processing line, this is what we do. So we got the feeding hopper at the bottom, belt conveyor, dry side, paddle washer, peeling machine, belt conveyor, grinding machine, and we got the screw conveyor. And normally we will do the fermentations also for 2 to 3 days. We got the hydraulic press, we got the hammer crusher, Gary fryer, we got the vibration side, which I will detail explain for the Gary processing line 2 days later, I believe. And Gary processing machine, it is mainly used to process cassava into white and yellow Garys. So saving a lot of time and the labor, and easy to operate, factory direct sales. So there's no middleman in the there's no middleman to earn the money. So the price, it is really good, cost effective. So this is what we do for the Gary production line. So you guys can have a check. So first, when we get the cassavas, we better to handle all of the cassavas as soon as possible for the high quality Gary's final. And then we got the dry side, all of the skins for the cassavas, and we got the cassava grinder, and then we will do the fermentations for 2 to 3 days, and then we will do the dewatering like by using the hydraulic press. We got the hammer crusher, Gary fryer, vibration side packer, and we will get the final product, which is called Gary's. And this is what we have for the cassava flour processing machines. So feeding hopper also, belt conveyor, dry side paddle washer. No matter what kind of the business you want to do with the like the cassava tuber, these machines, it is like the most essential one. You have to remove the impurities in your scale of cassavas before you do the processing, and you have to make sure that all of the cassava, it is washing slowly. There's no fine sand or other tiny impurities or dust on the surface, so that we can make sure the final quality, no matter for the flour or the Gary or the starch, it is in the high way. And the cassava peeling machine, rasper, cutting machine, and filter press, packing machine, sifter sieve, and flash dryer, it is like the same one. Cassava flour processing machine is used for processing cassava into flour by advanced wet processing method. And we got wireless capacity equipment. It is made for you and have a long service life, less energy consumption, and it is ready to ship. So this is about the working process. When we got the cassava, also dry side, paddle washer, peeler, cassava cutting machine, rasper, frame plate filter, hammer crusher, flash dryer, sifter, sieve, and cassava flour. All of the equipments in this one, we can also provide that. And then it's about the topic for today, the cassava starch processing machine, which there will be more of the equipments here because the processing way, it is a little bit complicated. So the cassava starch processing machine extract cassava into high quality cassava starch through the cleaning section and the processing section and the drying section. And we got the PLC control operation, 94 starch extraction rate, high production efficiency, saving time and labors. So if you're interested about this one, just easily say something in the comment to let me know that you do want to know more detailed information for that. And when I check about your message, I can show you a better explanation for that. And this is about the working process. I mean, it is just like the same picture that I have already shown you. So first of all, it's about we get the fresh cassava, dry side paddle washer, and we will get the cassava starch. So if you do need anything, you can just directly put it in the comment. This is about our hot machines in our company, which we have already shipped all of the machines about 40 countries already. And we got the cassava peelers. It will remove 2 layers of cassava tubers, and we got the cassava grater. So we will crush cassava to mash. The hydraulic press, we will squeeze out the water in the crushed cassava, and Gary fryer and packer pack the cassava products. We got the vibration sieve to separate different size particles and powders. We got the rasper to grinding cassava to get the wet mash. We got the vacuum filter, remove the starch milk to get 40% wet starch. We got the flash dryer, and normally the flash dryers, the heat, it is really high. Normally it will about 20 meters. So it is a equipment that we use to dry wet cassava flour and starch. And the cassava shipping machine, cheap cassava to get animals feeds. If you do have any questions, directly put your question in the comment. I'm waiting for more questions. And in the field of cassava processing, Henan generally has mature technology and industry. We can all provide you that. By countries or nearby cities, contact with us by put your email address or put your WhatsApp number or put any useful information in the comments so that we can contact with you immediately in a really short time. So this is our overseas warehouse and office in Nigeria, but we have already make our office and make our warehouse much bigger. So this is the old picture. If you are visiting our new warehouse and our new office, you will find there is a brand new office and factories in Nigeria, which is located in Sagamu, Lagos, Nigeria, which it is so welcome for you guys to have a visit. This is all about our project showcase. Check about it. We have done the starch business, flour business, and Gary business more than 13 years. We started to the business since 2011. So basically, so far we got a lot of experiences, no matter for the machines, but also for how to set a workshop, like how do we place the machines. Our engineers will also give you a customized design according to where is your warehouse, where is your workshop, and the details for the detailed information about the workshop. So you guys can check about it. If you do have any questions, directly let me know by put your question in the comments. So check about it. Hey, Aquini, welcome to the live stream, Aquini. This is Oliver from Henan Doing Holdings. If there's anything that I can do for help, just directly let me know by put your question in the comments. This is all about our ProWise project that we got before. Oh. Good afternoon. Currently in China, it is 5:30 p.m. and I'm about to off work after 30 minutes later. And this live stream will last for more than 20 minutes. So if you do got questions right now, put your question in the comment to let me know what can I do for help. And this is our company. And the main business scope, it is about small, medium, and large-scale Gary processing machines, complete semi-automatic and fully automatic cassava, fufu, yam flour processing machine, complete cassava, potato, sweet potato starch processing machine, other single cassava processing machine series, cassava peeler, grater, hydraulic press, Gary fryer, rasper, chipping machine, is all about our business. And this is our environment. Our company have already established more than 13 years, and we have already got more than 2,000 customers, and our equipment have exporting for more than 30 countries, and we got more than 50 technical engineers in the engineers team, and we got more than 20 professional installations worker in our team, and our intention of customers, it is about 100,000, and we can provide you 24 hours, 7 days a week, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week technical support. So no matter what kind of the equipment you need, we can provide you. And we got 1 year warranty, which means in this year, if there's anything happened due to the accident, we can provide you a solution in 24 hours. And we can make sure that you will be satisfied. So if you do, contact with us. And alright, so let's check about the 3D video that we got for the starch production line, tapioca starch production line. Let's see for the cassava starch. This is for Gary, and this one is for cassava starch. Wait a second, let me just go a little bit higher and put our 3D videos in the middle. That will be much better for all of you guys to watch. Yeah, this is our cassava starch production line. Here you go. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. If you do have any questions, directly put your question in the comments. Our live stream will be end after 15 minutes later. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hey RMB, how are you doing? This is Oliver from Henan Holdings. And this is the 3D video that we got for the cassava starch processing line. And yeah, I believe I got more than a lot of things want to introduce to you guys. Especially that is all about the washing part. And as for the processing part, the first it is raw material crushing, because the cassava tuber it is relatively large and more fibers. Here we are using the pre-crushing and slowly crushing 2 levels of the treatment. Pre-crushing, here we are using about the segmenting machine, which can cut the cassava into small pieces of 3 to 5 centimeters, and this is our segment cutting machine. The blade of this machine is made of high hardness 4CR steel material, which is a kind of food grade stainless steel, and the kitchen bundle to deal with the starch. And then we got the another machines to remove the tiny impurities like the fine sand. And the next one that I want to introduce more, explain more about that, because that is a really important machines in the whole processing technology. This is our designer. And the next one, it is the best equipment for refining, washing, and concentrating the critter. It has many groups of counter-current process, simple structure, no vibration, convenient maintenance, done with the centrifuge process to save about 50% investment, and it is easy to operate. The maintenance for this one is really low, so it is one of the equipment with a high promotion value in the starch industry. And the screen core starch meal contains a certain amount of protein. These protein particles are really small, but the time is too long can accumulate into a group, so that the separation effect is greatly reduced, so it should be separated as soon as possible. And if the primary separation is done by the separator, the refining and washing of starch can be completed by the 6 to 9 stage cyclone, and the overflow yellow pump can be recovered before returning to the separator. And in the process for the total cyclone purification, separation, and refining, the cyclone group is divided into two parts. The first is about use 6 to 8 groups of primary concentration and separation. And the second part, it will use 10 to 12 groups of refining and washing. If 6 to 8 groups of washing parts are added at last, the quality of starch will be better. And in the total cyclone process, because the coarse pulp directly enters in the cyclone group by separation and washing, the secondary powder with the small protein will flow out of the overflow port together with the yellow pulp. So in order to improve our economic benefits, the two parts of the cyclone have 3 to 4 groups of recovery cyclone, and the recovered secondary starch slurry will flow back to the original slurry pool for separation. If high quality starch is needed to produce, the recovered secondary starch should be stored and disposed separately. The hydrocyclone station used the starch industry belongs to a liquid hydrocyclone. Its working principle is similar to that of gas hydrocyclone. It is separated by centrifuge force and the suspension position with different specific gravity of particles. The material enters in the tangential position of the cyclone tube at a certain pressure. It will rotate in the tube and produce a larger centrifuge force. The larger the particle moves down along the tube wall and are discharged by the bottom overflow hole, while the smaller particles move up near the center and discharged by the overflow port. The effect of the hydrocyclone is related to the series of the effect of cyclone is related to the series of feed concentration. The more serious, the more soluble substance is removed, and the quality of starch is improved accordingly. This is a hydrocyclone station. And after this hydrocyclone station, all of the sweet potato starch, we will get into the dewatering machine. The part of the device that touch the starch is made of all stainless steel. Let me show you about our the dewatering machine. Yeah, this is the dewatering machine. Wait a second, over here. Yes, exactly. This is our dewatering machine. The part of the device that touch the starch is made of all stainless steel, and the drum of the dehydrator is cleaned by intermittent cleaning. The filter tank of dehydrator is equipped with automatic reciprocating agitator to prevent starch deposition. And the vacuum drum speed of the dehydrator can be regulated by frequency conversion. It will use scraper unloading and pneumatic control. The scraper is made of high hardness alloy and equipped with a continuous adjustment liquid level control. The use of pre-hanging technology, starch dehydration, in fact, it is really amazing. And the wet starch moisture stability, automatic unloading, and reduce labor intensify. For this dehydrator, it works without noise, have like really stable work, good continuity of work, easy operation, convenient maintenance. It is all about the dewatering machine. Hey guys, welcome to the live stream. If there's no further question, this live stream I will end it after 8 minutes later. Check about you have anything want to ask here about our machines, our starch, no matter for potato, sweet potato, or cassava. We can provide you the equipment for different capacities from 1 ton per hour to 100 tons per hour to 200 or 300 tons per hour. The equipment is all in our factory. you do, let me know. Say something in the comments. Or if there's no further question, I will wish you guys have a really wonderful Tuesday. Because I don't know where are you from and what is the time in your area, but in China it is 5:50 and 10 minutes later I will be off work. So wish you guys have a really wonderful Tuesday. If you are living in the Europe or Africa areas, I believe we got more like 7 hours time differences here. This is our PLC controlling room. PLC controlling room. So you can use the laptop or the computer to monitoring all of the working process. If there's anything bad happens, you can notice about it immediately in a really short time, so that you can go and handle that problems to make sure that all this processing line is going in plan. As we wish. Hey, if there's no further question, I believe I will end this one like 5 minutes later. Oh, I just noticed the voice that I didn't turn off, so yeah, it is really noisy, right? I mean, right now it is much better. Sorry guys for that. I didn't even notice that because I'm not wearing about the buds or about the earphones, so I didn't hear about the voice for this video. But yeah. All right. So do you guys have any questions? Let's check about one more thing about our company. How about let's go with some real video that we got. Some real videos, just like the Gary. How about the dry side? Yeah, let's check some videos about the dry side. In a really, yeah, this is the outlet for the impurities, and this one is a bigger workshop, so they do hire one man to clear about the impurities. But normally you can just easily set a plastic bag or a wooden box at the bottom to collect the impurities. Make sure that all of our workshop is clean and tidy. And normally you can just like this, set the dry side at the outside for the workshop, just like this. This is the dry side, this is the dry side, and the workshop, it is in the, all of the other machines, it is inside of the workshop, but the dry side, it is outside. And let's go another one. Yeah, this one. This is our dry side, I mean with the small capacities one. And it will rotate in regular speed, but for this video it's about just test, so the speed it is not that high. Yeah, for this one it's just about the tests. So, do you guys have more questions? If there's no more question, I will ending the live stream after 2 minutes later. And first of all, let me wish you guys have a really wonderful Tuesday. I mean, the week is just starts here, but also wish you guys can earn a lot of money during this week. And if there's anything you want to let me introduce, just let me know, or directly put your question or put your email address in the comment, or just add our WhatsApp number or call us directly. Our sales manager and engineers team and our after sales team, they are waiting for 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So do not feel about the disturb. You guys are welcome to call us anytime that you want, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, so that will be all for today's live stream. And if you didn't subscribe this channel, do give me the subscribe. Do give me the subscription. So we will see each other in the next time. Alright, we'll see you guys the next time. So, ladies and gentlemen, see you guys next time. Bye bye. Okay, so